Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we are going to cover section A part questions of all the answers of section A of Maths Class 10 CBSE 30/6/1 set. Okay, and I already covered 30/3/1 set. So if you're interested for that question paper, you can find that link in the description where I have covered. I will keep the playlist of all the sections including A, B, C, D and D as well. Okay, from today we're going to start new set which is 30/6/1 set and starting from section A. So let's see one by one all the 20 questions today. So as I think everyone knows, section A contains of 20 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay, let's see the first one. The first question they are asking, root 0.4 is a natural rational integer or irrational. Okay, it is not natural number because root 4 is equal to 2, but root 0.4 is irrational. It cannot be expressed in terms of p by q form. Okay, second one, which of the following cannot be the unit digit for 8 power n? So this is, I think most of the people might have answered this because same type of question is already repeated in various previous year questions. So the answer should be 0. Why? Because only for 0 we have a condition that 2 and 5 should be prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 8? 8 prime factors is only 2, which is 2 power 3. So it does not has 5 in it. Okay, so that's why no 5. So it cannot end with 0. Easy question. Third one, which of the following quadratic equations has real and equal roots? What is the condition for real and equal? Means b square should be equal to 4ac. This is the condition for real and equal. So here, okay, I think it should be a only, but still I will cross check. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x1 cancelled out. So only option we have is x square. So x square I can write in terms of, if I compare with ax square plus bx plus c terminology, then a will be equal to 1, b is equal to c is equal to 0. So what is b square minus 4ac? B square is 0, 0 minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 0, so this is 0. So here it is satisfying where b square is equal to 4ac. Only option is C. But still for your case, I'll just cross check for other options. Here a is 1, b is 1, c is 0. So b square minus 4ac will become 1 here. So that's why this is not the right answer. Here all are 1s. So 1 minus 4 minus 3. This is also not the right answer. A is 1. B is 0, so it is something negative value. So that's why this is also wrong answer. Okay. Fourth one, when the zeros are the polynomial, if the zeros are polynomial, reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal means alpha is equal to 1 by beta. So for this type of questions, what you have to do is find product of the zeros. So what is product of zeros? Product of 0 is alpha beta, which is c by a. So here what is the formula? 1 alpha into beta is 1. So this way 1 is equal to, what is c by a here? 2a by b by a. So a gets cancelled out. So 1 is equal to 2 by b. So b value is 2. So which is a should be the right answer. Let's solve fifth one. The distance from the point A from x-axis. So if you draw in this way, a is minus 3 and okay, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, so the point will be somewhere here. Here is the point. They're asking distance from x-axis. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So what is the distance from x-axis? It is the y value, which is 4. The same question, if they ask distance from y-axis, then this distance will come into picture, which is 3. But they're asking for distance from x-axis. So from x-axis, this is x-axis. From here I have to move 4 points downwards. So it is 4 is the right answer. And make sure to write in the exam, it should be 5, option is B and answer is 4. In this way you have to answer these multiple choice of questions. Next, sixth one, In the adjoining figure, PQ parallel XY parallel BC, AP is mentioned, PX is mentioned, BX is mentioned, QY is mentioned. They're asking AQ plus CY. Okay, it is little interesting. It is related to BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. So let's write the values here itself. AP is 2, PX is 1.5, and BX is 4, QY is 0.75. Okay, what I will do is I will first find AQ value by using AP by PX is equal to AQ by QY. So AP I know, which is 2 by 1.5. AQ I need to find. Let's write it as X. QY is 0.75. 0.75 into 2 is 1.5. 2 is cancelled. So AQ I got it as 1. I want one more, which is CY. So for CY, okay, let's use a big one, which is AX by BX is equal to AY by CY. Okay, AX is 2 plus 1.5, which is 3.5, by BX is 4. AY means I need to add these two, which is 1.75, by CY I need to find again 2's, 2 1's, 2 2's, so CY is equal to 2. So what they are asking, AQ plus CY, 1 plus 2, which is 3 is the right answer. Next move to the 7th one. Given ABC is similar to triangle PQR, A is 30, so I know P also is 30. Next, Q is 90, so B also is 90. So what they are asking, R plus B. R, okay, 90 plus 30 is 120, 180 minus 120 is 60, so this is also 60. They are asking B, R plus B. R is 60, 60 plus 90, which is 150. Okay, 8th one. Two coins are tossed, simultaneous problem of getting at least one head. So if two coins are tossed, what are the chances? TH, HT. Okay, see the other 4 chances. At least one head. So here at least one head is present in these 3. So the probability should be 3, but total chances 4. Ninth one. In the adjoining figure, PA, PB are the tangents. PA, PB are the tangents with the center of angle P is 90. Okay, this is 90. AB is 3 root 2. Okay, then the diameter of the circle. So if you notice here, this triangle, okay, is a right angle triangle, and this is right angle. Okay, so this is 9. This should be 95, because these two are already 90s, because those are tangents. If these 3 are 90s, this also will be 90. Now I can consider OAB as a right angle triangle, and I have AB value, which is 3 root 2. And if you notice here, OA and OB both are radius, so I will write both as x6. So using Pythagoras theorem, x square plus x square is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. X square plus x square is 2x square is equal to 9 into 2. 2 gets cancelled out. So x value I got it as root 9, which is 3. X is nothing but radius. What they are asking the question? They are asking diameter. So diameter is d. D is equal to 2x, which is 2 times of radius. 2 into 3, which is 6 centimeters. So don't tick this one. Okay, there are chances, but till here the students might have solved and never had ticked, but they have to clearly mention they have radius. They are not asking radius, they are asking diameter of the circle. Okay, let's move to the 10th one. For a circle with center O and radius is 5. Okay, we have a circle and we have a radius as 5. What they are asking, which of the following statement is true? First one, distance between pair of parallel tangents. So let's assume these two are the pair of parallel tangents, and distance between them will be the diameter, which is 10. So P is wrong. Distance between pair of parallel tangents is 10. Yes, this is correct. Distance between each pair must be between, this is wrong. There does not exist a point outside the circle where the length of the tangent is 5. So this doesn't make sense. Okay, so only option is Q, which is B. Let's see 12th one. In the adjoining figure, TS is a tangent. Okay, this is tangent with the circle with center O. The value of 2x degrees. Okay, so if it is a tangent, then I know that this is 90. Okay, so 90 plus 3x plus x, that is sum of all the angles of triangle, which is 180 degrees. So 90 plus 4x is equal to 180. 4x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90. So x value is 90 by 4 or 50 by 2, which is 22.5. A is the right answer. Let's move to the next one. They're asking x is to y. Okay, so here itself I will cancel out these two. So x by y will be equal to 1 plus tan square 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So square of it will becomes 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. If I take LCM, 3 plus 1, which is 4 by 3. By 3 minus 1 will become 2 by 3. 3 cancels, 2 ones. So it is 2:1 is the final answer. Okay, these are just one more questions, so that's why I'm doing fast. But if you have a doubt, you can just slow down the video speed, you will get the in detail. Or else if you want the detailed solution of any question, kindly mention in the comment section so that I can check and respond to you accordingly. Okay, let's see the next question. Peacock sitting on the top of the tree of height 10. Okay, we have a tree which is having a height of 10 meters. Observes a snake moving on the ground if the snake is 10√3 meters away from the base. So we have a snake here which is 10√3 meters. Then the angle of depression of the snake from the eye of peacock. So they are asking angle of depression, which is this value. So as per alternate angles, this and this are same. Okay, so simply I will use tan theta, that is tan theta d is equal to opposite by adjacent side, which is 10 by 10√3, which is theta d. I can say it is 1 by root 3. So theta d is 30 degrees because tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is, let's go to 14. If the cone of the greatest possible volume is hollowed out from a solid wooden cylinder, and the ratios of the volume of the remaining wood to the volume of cone hollowed out. So cone volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, whereas volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So what is the maximum value it can come out of the particular cylinder is, it can take 1/3 of the volume. Okay, so volume of cone is this much, whereas volume of cylinder is this much. So if they are taken 1 by 3rd volume, so what is the remaining? So remaining will be 2 by 3 pi r square h. Now what they are asking, ratio of volume of remaining wood. So remaining is this one to the volume of cone cut out. So simply it will be 2:1 is the final answer, but still I will write it here. 2 by 3 pi r square h is to 1 by 3 pi r square h. These two gets cancelled out, 3 cancelled out. So final answer 2:1. Okay, let's go to 15th. If the mode of the sum observations, mode they have mentioned, mode value is 10. Sum of mean and median. So we have another values, mean plus median is equal to 25. They're asking mean and median are respectively. So we have one condition with respect to all these three. What is the condition is, mode should be equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so mode they have mentioned 10. So 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to 10, and median plus mean is equal to 25. So I'll just use elimination method. I'll just multiply into 2, it becomes 50. So just add these two. This will get 5 median is equal to 60. Therefore median is equal to 60 by 5 is equal to 12. Let's see only options. I think only one will be present. Median 12, only this is present. You can also cross check if you want. 2 median plus 2 mean should be equal to 50. So 2 into 12 is 24. 24 plus 26 is 50. Correct. So that's why B is the right answer. So always make sure for MCQs, by using one itself you can figure out what is the right answer. It will not take, we should not waste your time. Okay, median is 12. So I just simply have seen median respectively. So this should be the median. I take the right answer. Next. What is the if the maximum number of students obtain 52 marks out of 100, then simply it is nothing but the mode. Where is the option C? So why? Because mode is the most repeated value. Next, 17th, the system of equations has, okay, so for this simply I need to find a1, a2, a3 values, then you can get the relation 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. We don't have x terms, so it is 0 plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2, if I write, it will be infinite. b1 by b2 is 0. So a1 by a2 itself is not equal to b1 by b2, so unique solution. A is the right answer. 18th, in a right angle triangle. So first I will write right angle triangle. ABC they mentioned, but at which angle they haven't mentioned, so I will be assuming it as, okay, I'll write from here. ABC. Okay, right angle they mentioned, yes, right angle at A, fine, good. Sine B is 1 by 4, sine B. What is sine angle? Opposite by hypotenuse. So this is 1, this is hypotenuse. What the value of secant B? So this I can say it is root of 16 minus 1, which is root 15. Why? Because using Pythagoras theorem got it. Next, secant B. Secant is adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 4. Adjacent is root 15. So simple. It is D answer. So 19th and 20th are assertion reason questions. So I'll just say A option is the one where assertion and reason both are correct and reason is the correct explanation for R. B, both are correct but not related. C, R is true, assertion is true, reason is false, and D, assertion is false and reason is true. So for this question, let's see which is both are true or not. For any two prime numbers P and Q, HCF is 1, this is correct. LCM is P plus Q. P plus Q is wrong because LCM should be P into Q if they're prime numbers. So this is false. So obviously this should be true because there is no case where both will be false. So directly I wrote this is true. This is false. This is true. So answer should be D. 20th. Getting a number less than 3, even 2 is getting a number greater than 3 are complement to each other. So again this is also same option. This is false and this is true. Why? Because they have clearly mentioned less than 3, but here the equal to case is missing. So for your proof I'll also write what is event is less than 3, I will get 2 by 6 because I have chances 1 and 2. Greater than 3 I have the chances like 4, 5 and 6. So here the probability is 3 by 6. So what is 1 minus 2 by 6? I will get 4 by 6, not 3 by 6. So that's why this is false. This is correct. Complement, if they mention less than or equal to 3, then definitely both are true and the correct explanation. But here the equal to is missing. Since this answer is also D, where A is false and R is true. A is false, R is true. Yes, it is a D option. So both are D. Okay. So in this way, all the questions of section A are solved. In the next video, I will solve all the questions of section B and mostly I will upload today itself at 8 p.m. Okay. So kindly check that video at 8 p.m. This video will be available in my channel. So let's meet again, and if you like this content, please do like so that it will reach to more students who might also solve the same, who might also got the same exam paper. Okay, I can see that few are watching till end but not liking. I won't force to subscribe and all, it's depend upon you, but at least you like the content, I can feel that at least some students will get some benefit out of the video. Okay, so let's meet in another video. Thank you.